What does a PCB manufacturer with over 20 years of experience in the electronics industry look like? In the next few minutes, let's take you inside Hitech Circuits Co. Limited and discover our story. Founded in 1997, Hitech Circuits has grown steadily alongside the global electronics industry. With years of manufacturing expertise, we have continuously improved our production systems and introduced advanced digital management solutions to enhance efficiency and quality. Located in Shenzhen, our facilities are purpose-built to support modern electronics manufacturing. Today, Hitech Circuits operates large-scale production facilities designed for high efficiency, precision, and reliability. Our factory currently employs over 150 professionals. The SMT workshop is equipped with 6 high-speed SMT production lines, featuring advanced equipment such as fully automatic solder paste printers, 3D SPI inspection, high-speed Panasonic and Yamaha pick-and-place machines, 10-zone nitrogen reflow ovens, and 3D AOI inspection systems. Additional offline equipment includes laser marking machines and X-ray inspection systems to guarantee the highest level of quality control. Our DIP workshop operates 3-wave soldering and selective soldering lines. Many of the production fixtures are designed and manufactured in-house, ensuring seamless integration with our production lines. For finished products, we operate 3 final assembly lines and 2 automated conformal coating lines. Comprehensive testing capabilities include aging tests, functional testing, FC, high-low temperature testing, vibration testing, and RoHS compliance testing, ensuring every product meets strict quality standards. Our warehouse maintains thousands of commonly used electronic components in stock. Intelligent electronic shelving systems and humidity-controlled storage solutions help ensure the stability and reliability of moisture-sensitive components while improving operational efficiency. Hitech Circuits has obtained multiple international certifications, including ISO 9001,
ISO 1 for 001, ISO 13 for 85, ISO for 5001, IATF 169 for 9.
enabling us to serve customers in industries such as industrial control, automotive electronics, communication devices, medical devices, and advanced technology sectors. We provide one-stop PCBA manufacturing services, including electronic component sourcing, PCB fabrication, SMT assembly, DIP through-hole assembly, product assembly and testing, conformal coating. Whether you need prototyping, small batch production, or large-scale manufacturing, Hitech Circuits is ready to support your project. You are always welcome to visit our factory. Hitech Circuits looks forward to working with you.